Hello everyone, welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, October the 6th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to the trading room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen. I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a link to my homepage. On the homepage, you'll see a promo code to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas. You'll see a link for the Trade of the Week and all the webinars and other educational videos that we have. So I think most people in the trading room, all we could really talk about was PPSI. So this is a tough one for me to go over. So this is PPSI, and you can see the move it had in the pre-market. Now, this is one of those, in fact, let me just see. I have to type it in. I have to make sure I've got my symbol linking. Okay. Here we go. So yeah, so power distribution, so anything to do with power, electric vehicles, lithium, etc. This just is, exploded. And I thought I did a heck of a job. I got into this one just over the whole number around 202, and I sold most of it around 244. Now I did that because the float is only 3 million. And, I have to be honest, I wasn't sure what was going to happen. Obviously, had I known something like this was going to happen, I mean, it went from yesterday low of 150 all the way up to almost $10. I mean, 950. But this happened. This little move happened. I mean, you're looking at a 15-minute chart. This happened in about 30 seconds. So it was very hard for me not to take, just a tremendous percentage gain in such a short period of time. I was actually hoping it might pull back and then start again, but it just didn't do that. So let's take a look at my watch list and what it did, and see. The NXTC, nothing really. 1131 got up. It didn't really move. There's the POLA. Now, I was thinking that the POLA, we might get movement from the PPSI into POLA, 429, but it's been really, really choppy. I did trade this a couple of times. I made a little bit of money a couple of times, but look how choppy this one was. But, again, 429, it did get up to 479. There's the aforementioned PPSI, even at 365 right here. I mean, look at the move, almost straight up. It went from 365 to probably 650 without a pause before it pulled back. And then it just zoomed higher. Here's the other one, OPTT, 152. Now, it did pull back, and then it got up to 260. So there's a dollar move. Actually, it was in the AI a little bit later at 210. And it, where was the AI alert? Actually, the AI alert was here too, but it just took a lot longer, and it got up to 263. Actually, make sure of that. 210. Yeah, I guess it must have pulled back. On mine, yeah, this happened at 9:51 for the AI. This was at 11:11. Oh, I know what I'm doing. I'm sorry. I gotta click on the AI alert. Yeah, so there's the AI alert at 210 right here. Okay, so it was right in this area. My alert came a lot earlier at 9:51. The AI alert came on a pullback actually, which wasn't bad, and then it just popped up, and now it is coming back down. Home, I don't know what it's done. 1832, not bad, a little bit choppy though. Kirk, I think was originally 1035. I think I got up to about 1060. Almost from straight up before it pulled back, but it is back up. I mean, some of these are pretty choppy, but all I'm doing is I'm looking at the first time of the alert, the price, and then what did it do afterwards? Could you have made money? So, so far so good. I mean, they can't all be good, but some are better than others. I mean, look at the PPSI, 365 all the way up to 947. Weight Watchers, 2261. Even this one, modest, 2280. VCell, this is one we're kind of talking about a potential swing. If I can find it on the monthly chart. Yeah, the monthly chart really has no resistance. So, this is something that you might want to take a look at. It is a bio though, so, bios are a little more I guess, risky than other types of stocks, but VSAL does look very interesting. There's really not a lot of resistance until, years down the road. And then SPWR 1604, not bad. So all in all, though, again, the watch list, again, performing really, really well. Not every one of them is going to be a PPSI, but, if you just want to have a few stocks to concentrate on every single day, all you have to do is, from the toolbar, click on New, Channel Bar, and my watch, right down there, my watch list. Remember though, everything in here is a layout. So before you do that, make sure you do save your layout to the cloud. You can only have one layout loaded at a time. All right, I want to get back into the room, see what we're going to have for the late day action. So I'm going to bring back my capture program and get rid of my chart here. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is the link for the free room. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.